Read out, please.
I want to be like a well-disciplined person, have a planned routine, and help the needy people.
When you write, I want to be like a well-disciplined person. So right now, are you not a disciplined person?
Always.
You are already a disciplined person. So you will slightly modify your sentence. Okay, I want to become slightly more disciplined person because sometime I get up slightly late in the morning. Like this. Sometime I reach 2-3 minutes late to the sports club. Like this you modify. And then next.
I want to overcome my demerits and analyze myself time to time.
I want to overcome my so and so demerit, and the action I am taking to do away with this action is this. Like this you have to write. Last.
I want to lead the men and women in the right path in the future. I want to be a good leader and influencer so I can guide my friends and family.
So now I want to be a good leader. Are you not a leader now? You are already a leader. But what action are you further taking to become a better leader? So don't use the word leader. You just write down the qualities you think you are lacking in becoming a good leader. Those qualities you will write. Okay. You may write down, right now I find that I have got limited stamina of running only 15 kilometers, which I want to gradually increase to 25 kilometers. For this, I have already started taking action and I may be able to run 20 kilometers in this much time, and my target is to achieve another 5 kilometers in coming 30 days. Like this you got to be specific. It sounds more logical. Okay? So like this we will be writing down our self-description. The important part in SD is that time allotted will be only 15 minutes and the length of all the 5 paragraphs should be same. It should not happen that your first paragraph is going into 25 lines, the second paragraph is just finished in 5 lines, and third paragraph is again gone into 20 lines, and fourth paragraph again finished in 4 lines. That thing should not happen. You have to equally divide the last 3 pages in 5 paragraphs and use 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes, some of you may find it's a little time, it's a less time to write down 2.5 pages. So you got to be fast enough. You have to develop your writing speed. And one thing, second thing, you don't have to cut, copy and paste. Test number. Good morning.
You won.
Don't sleep. So time is only 15 minutes. Please do not leave it incomplete or blank. It cannot be left incomplete or blank. No part, no page, no line in your dossier, complete dossier to be left incomplete or blank. It means what? You have not attempted the test completely. So how can you get recommended? The first part, the first thing to get successful in any exam is to do it completely. If you have not finished your test completely, then how do you expect to get passed? You will be failed. You will be declared unsuccessful. So please complete your dossier 100%. And then what is the level of your performance in that dossier? That you got to see. If each and every answer is short, not to the point, standing illogical, then again your chances of getting recommended will be poor. So the first thing is complete your test. Complete your test with quality and in the minimal time. Remember this. So I think with this I am done up with all the 4 things: EAT, WAT, SRT and SD. And tomorrow I will be taking your mock test kind of thing. Yeah.
How can we explain the action in the last question of what you want to become in your life?
The same thing I was explaining to that person. No?
Like if I want to become a good sports person, can I write that by doing this and that?
What is the definition of good sports person?
The person who covers all, who knows how to play all the sports.
Now playing all the sport, is it feasible? It's not just all the sportsmen, there are hundreds of sports. Right? You want to attain mastery in particular sport, no? Or maybe you want to attain mastery in 3 or 4 sports, in football, hockey, badminton, this, that, whatever. So you have to be very specific. Okay, I want to be good in hockey and football, but right now in hockey I am only able to win silver medal at school level, which I am aspiring to win at least gold medal at the school level. Like this would be specific. This is the definition of good bad. If everybody say I want to become good sportsman, how will I come to know okay, what is the meaning of sport? But if you specify, if my aim is to win gold medal at national level, then I will understand. And I want to seek mastery in this game, and these are the action I am taking.
Like for the action part, by doing the more stamina, by increasing your stamina.
Yeah. If suppose you need to play, if your favorite sport is let's say hockey, but if you are not able to run more than 3 kilometers, so can you become a good hockey player? You cannot become a good hockey player, because in hockey you have to play you have to run continuously for 2 hours. And if you want to run continuously 2 hours, then what should be your running stamina? I would say around 25 kilometers. You should be able to run 25 kilometers in 2 hours. Is it possible or not? 20 kilometers in 2 hours means what? In 1 hour, 10 kilometers. In 30 minutes, 5 kilometers, which is very much possible. So like this, you have to be specific, to the point. By just citing, I want to become a good sportsman, good all-rounder, it will not solve the problem. Or if you want to write, I want to become better in my academics, again, it doesn't convey any clear meaning. You want to be good in which academic subject? You are lacking in mathematics, you are lacking in English, you are lagging behind in science, and what action are you taking? You are seeking help, you are seeking extra classes, you are sleeping, going to bed late night, solving 100 to 100 questions, you are solving last year's questions. What action are you taking? Like, or if you write, I want to become more disciplined, why you think you are indisciplined now? What has made you think? And what action are you taking? So you got to be specific, and that is only possible when you write down the action part.
Sir, in the first question, what your parents think about you?
Yeah.
Can we write that our parents have suffered?
What is your parents' opinion about you? क्या लिखा था आपने? वो opinion or something else? Opinion, no? Think नहीं है. Opinion.
They have taught me many qualities of honesty and I am trying to follow this.
Second cheese.
My
They
parents
think-
have taught me great many qualities.
Great many qualities. Again, this word is wrong. So you have to remodify. Great many qualities means what? Too many qualities means what? You have to be specific.
Such as hard work, honesty and discipline.
Don't start the sentence with the wrong word. They find great many qualities in you. No.
Hard work, many qualities such as hard work, honesty and integrity. Others try to follow this to make me.
Don't write such. Don't use these adjectives in your sentence. Be very simple and clear. The way I had explained to you. Please try not to use any of the OLQ in your sentence description. If by mistake 1 or 2 or 3 are appearing, so give the explanation. So what is the reason behind it? And think logical. Be very practical. Don't try to make your self-description impressive by adding all those impressive words. No. Be practical. You may write down, my handwriting is not up to the standard. For this, I am practicing writing 5 pages every day. You can write down this. Many a time, I am not aware about the latest rules and regulations in the sports. So I end up doing mistakes in my sports. I break the rules unintentionally. So I am learning latest rules of the game, not to repeat them in future. Am I sounding logical or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you go to writing down. If you just write down, I want to be best all-rounder in all the sports, that is not feasible. You have to be clear, crystal clear. So should we close the day today?
Yes, sir.
Or anything you have in your mind, any doubt, something for tomorrow?
No, sir.
So tomorrow we will be assembling here at about by 8:05, 8:10, and by 8:15 I will be taking your mock test, psychological test. And when you come into this